Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So my last video was about the birthday celebration lift off of my channel. It was third year since I started. So now just for all the starting inspiration for myself, I bought a merch. It was kind of only for me. So I always wanted a t-shirt with a rib cage on it, so I thought why not customize one just for myself. So I obviously love the color red since I was a kid, and red goes perfectly with the neon green rib cage. So this is the t-shirt right here. So I bought this just for myself. I've customized it, and that is one more part. This is custom built just for me, which is the buyer. So if there is any problem or the size or anything, I cannot return it. So that's the catch. So anyway, it came in the parcel on Amazon today. So it came when I was in school. So the receiver, who was in my house, basically a family member, took it out and opened only the outer packaging, which was the regular packaging of Amazon. This one has not yet still been opened. So it's now time to open it. So this is the package. Okay. Wow. First of all, the quality is good, the print is good, and finish is great. The text, I mean, it's great. Okay. So this one is great. So I'm gonna actually pause the video, change, and I'm gonna show you how this new one looks on me. Okay, so now you can see here everything is done properly. The rib cage has come out perfectly. So every detail which I've added to the customization has been done very good. The sleeves are perfect. It's fitting perfect for me. It's comfortable. Only thing is I should have selected a smaller size because I am a size medium, but I selected medium in that it actually, I don't know what happened, but actually I've got a bigger one. So only thing is the shirt comes down, a bit more from my waist down. So it's a little bit bigger. So I don't care about that. Anyway, it looks good. So yeah, this is something which I got myself for my YouTube channel's third year lift off or the birthday. So I'm going to show you one more thing right now. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go on YouTube right now and we are going to check what it says. Third year, 3 years ago, for my very first video. Okay, so I'm back now. I got a call. So yeah, so we have officially hit 270 subscribers. So that is one more great thing. So thank you so much for all the current subscribers and the new subscribers. And anyway, let's show you that video. My first one. Okay, latest to oldest. There we go. 66 views 3 years ago. Please see it 3 years ago. 66 views. So all those first videos I uploaded, which was introduction to my new YouTube channel, parts of an aircraft, and the third one which are used to fly the plane, all of them are 3 years ago, which means 3 years has officially done. Then again, for my recent video which came, so it was uploaded about exactly on 12 a.m. on today, July 16th. So it is still gaining some views, but the next video I have planned is even much better. So thank you so much. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and have a nice day as always, and bye bye.